Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is addition and subtraction. Addition में you just have to add and subtraction you will just minus it, okay? Now first we will learn about addition. Now children, I'll read what is written here. Okay? In our previous class, we have learned the addition of 4 or 5 digit number. In the same way, we add 6 and 7 digit. यानी जब जैसे ही आपने previous class में 4 and 5 digit numbers add किए थे, उसी तरह से in this year, we will learn about 5, 6 or 7 digit. Okay. Now see, just look at the example since you already know how to add. Now here again there are no commas. We'll use the Indian system. Just put and then you'll just put the commas and you will read. The number is 6 digit. That means it belongs to which period? Yes, it belongs to the lakh period. Then how will you read this? 5,37,923. Now see here. आप अपने नोटबुक में भी इसी तरह लिखेंगे. पहले प्लेस वैल्यू लिखेंगे, then you will leave one line, then you will write the number and then the number which you have to add. Okay. So the first number is C. The first you have written the place value, then you will leave one line, then in the next line you will add the first number that you have to add. The first number is 5,37,923 and you have to add again the number is 3,65,408. Now आपने लिख दिया 3 plus 8 is 11. You've written 1 and you have carried 1 here. And 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Again you will just go from right to left. Okay. So how will you go? You will go from right to left. Just write 11, 1 here and 1 carry, and 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Okay, there is no carry here. Then 9 plus 4 is 13. Again 3 here and 1 carry. And 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Again 3 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Again 1 and carry here 1. Then 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. This is how you get the number. So children, it is the same way that you have done in your previous class. Nothing new. Okay. So same way, how will you add this number? Now you have, how will you solve it? I have told you before also, you will just write the place value. आप सबसे पहले place value लिखेंगे. Then you will leave one line here. Then you will write both the numbers and then you will add and you will get the number. So see, the number sentence is 5,37,923 plus this answer will be 9,03,331. Okay children? Yes. Now children, we will solve example number 2. I hope everything is clear to you. Yes. Now see, here you have to add this number to this number and then you have to write the number in words. Okay. So now you have written the number. What is the number here? 51,30,512. Yes. Then the other number is 39,89,095. आपने लिख दिया. सबसे पहले आपने place value लिखा. Then you left one line. Then you'll write those two numbers and then you will start adding. 2 plus 5 is nothing but 7. 1 plus 9, 10. You'll write 0 here and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 5, 6. You'll write here 6. अब यहाँ पे कुछ कैरी नहीं है तो यहाँ एम्प्टी रहेगा. Then 0 plus 9 is 9. Again कुछ कैरी नहीं है. Then you will not carry. 3 plus 8 is 11. You will write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9 is nothing but 11. So you've written here 1 and then you've carried 1 here. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is your answer, 91,19,607. So this is how you will write in your exam. Now the addition sum, the numbers to be added are called addends. Now here all the numbers that you are being adding are called addends. Okay. Now this is very easy. Yes children. So I hope you can solve the exercise 2.1 which is in page number 20, I think 19. Okay. So I think everyone, now we will solve exercise 2.1. Okay children. So let's solve exercise 2.1. Again children, what will you do? You will copy down the question. Then you will write the place value here. Now how will you write the place value? These are again 6 digit. As you all know 6 digit, how will you write 6 digit? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Then everything you will put here. You will leave one line and then you will again write 2 plus 8 is nothing but 10. So you will write here 0 and you will carry 1. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. So here 1 and again 1 carry. Wait. Everyone will put the place value here. Okay. यहाँ ऊपर आप सारा place value लिखेंगे and then you will leave one line. And then you will start adding. Okay. Now children. How will you write? 2 plus 8 is 10. Here I have written and then I have carried 1. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. So I have written here 1. I have carried 1 here. Then again 7 and 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So again 1 and I have carried 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So again I have written 1 here and I have carried here 1. Okay children. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So I have written here 2 and I have carried here 1. Yes children. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So this will be your answer. The answer is 9,21,110. I hope this is clear to you. Yes children. Now we will go to the next question. Now children, what is the next question here? Look here, question number 2. Again, what will you do? You will just straight up add. उसी तरह से you will copy in your notebook. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. You have written 1 here and then you have carried 1 here. Okay. Then you have carried 1. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. Yes. Then nothing to carry. You will not carry. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. Again you will write 3 and you will carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. You will just write as it is. Then children, then we have 7 plus 4. There is nothing to carry, तो हम carry नहीं करेंगे. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have written here 1 and then we will carry 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is your answer. Okay, so your answer is 81,93,717. Okay, is this clear, everyone? I hope you have solved this, because I'm going to erase this 1 and 2. Now children, now we will solve the question number 3 of exercise 2.1. Now again you just have to add. 1 plus 4 is 5. You will write here 5. Then 9 plus 8 is 17. Yes, so you will write here 7 and you will carry 1. Then 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, so again we have carried 1. Then 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So again we will write here 5 and we will carry 1. याद रखना बेटा, आपके नंबर के नीचे नंबर होना चाहिए. Again wait, I will just write it again. See how your number should be. Suppose this is your number. I'll use another color so that you come to know. Suppose this is your number. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. This is your number. Then you will leave one line here. Okay children. Then you will write the another number. What is the number here? 3, 4, 2, 8, 8, 9, 1. And another number is 2. ध्यान रखिए सारा नंबर एक ही लाइन में होना चाहिए. 6, 3, 8, 4. Okay, when you write the answer children, look here, जब भी आप आंसर लिखेंगे, so 1, 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. तो ये जो 5 है आपका 1, 4 के नीचे होना चाहिए, यानी 1, 4 and 5 all should be in one line only. Okay, then in tens place 9 plus 8 will give you 17. So again I am writing below 8 and then you will carry 1 here. तो ये इसी लाइन में होगा hundreds के. Okay, so you should always remember कि आपका सारा in one line ही हो. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So again everything should be in one line. यानी H1 101 8 3 2 सारा कुछ एक ही लाइन में होना ही चाहिए. Understood? Then 1 plus 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. So I have written here 15 and I have carried 1. Okay. Now children, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. So again I am writing here 2 and I have carried 1. Now 1 plus 4 is 5 children. So here I have written 5 and 3 plus 5 is nothing but 5. So can you see, all should be under same line. कुछ भी आपका अलग नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. See, if you write this way, suppose this is the number 2, 3, 5. Okay, then you are adding it 3, 6, 7. तो यहाँ पे 4, 5 plus 7 is 2. तो you will not write 2 here, between here. And neither you will write 2 here. And then you will carry 1 and then you will write 0 here. Then you will do like this. This is a wrong way. ये पूरा wrong है. Why? Because it is not under same line. Okay. So how will you add children? Look here. Suppose you are adding 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. Again 5 plus 3 you just have to add. तो इसके नीचे ही लिखोगे. आपका सारा नंबर जो है नीचे ही एक दूसरे के सेम लाइन में होना चाहिए। दिख रहा है? यस, दिस इज हाउ योर नंबर शुड बी। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Okay, I will solve it directly here and then you can solve it on your own. Okay, then again you will put the place values, then you will leave one line and then start solving. Okay, so 9 plus 9 gives you 18. Okay, wait, I'll just write it question so it becomes very easier to you to solve. Now children, what is there? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, because you have up till okay. Now you have written this, then you will leave one line here. I have left one line. Then you will write the question number. Now what is the question number here? 908. Again see, this is the wrong way. Now I have to write it again. You just know the way, you will just add it. Okay, the number should be one below the another one. Okay, this is your number, and then again 8, 6, 4, 9, 8, 9. This is your number. 9 plus 9 gives you 18. So I have written here 8 and I have carried 1. So 1 plus 8 is nothing but 9. Okay, so your no carrying, nothing. 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay children, so I am writing here 7. I have carried 1 here. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So again I am writing here 7. Then nothing to carry, you will not carry. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then again you will write it 9 here. Then 6 plus 8 is 14. You will write 4 and then you will carry 1. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. So this will be your answer. How will you read this? Just put the commas 2, 2 and 3. So 64,97,798. Okay children? Yes. Now we will solve question number 5. I hope this is clear to you. Now children, we will solve question number 5. I think we will solve question, which did we solve? We solved 6th question. Now we will solve 5th also. I think I missed 5th. So I will solve it again here. You have space, so you can easily give space and write. Okay, if teacher doesn't have space, the teacher can write in such a crammy way, but you will not write. Okay, now again children, 8 plus 2, no, it was the 4th sum only, no? Yes, now we will solve the 5th sum. Okay, so again 8 plus 2 plus 8 will give you 10. So I am writing here 10. I have carried 1. Then again 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So I am writing here 6 and I have carried 1 here. So 1 plus 7, nothing but 8. Yes. Then you have nothing to carry. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. Again 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 8. No. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. Then 5, nothing to carry. Yes. 5 plus 6 is 11. Write 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is your answer. Your answer will be 61,90,860. Okay children. So I hope you've written this. So we can solve the another question. Okay. Now children, we will solve question number 6. Now how will you solve question number 6? Just write down. So we will write down the question. This is a question and then we will add. Numbers below number. Okay children. Now 9 plus 3 will give you 12. So your 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. So again 2 and you will carry 1 again. Okay children. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So here you have carried 1. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 will give you 14. So I am writing here 4 and I will carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 0 is 6. Okay, nothing to carry. Now 8 plus 9 will give you 17. Okay children. So I will write here 7 and I will carry 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is my answer. I will put the commas 2, 2 and 3 bases. So 57,64,322. This is question number 6. Okay children. Very nice. Now we will erase this. And now we will solve question number 7, which has 3 addends here. Look here. Same way, what will you do? You will now add. 7 plus 5 is 12. Yes. 12 plus 1 is 13. So I will write here 13 and I will carry 1. Now 1 plus 7 is 8. Yes. 8. Then 8 plus 6 is 14. Yes children, 8 plus 6 is 14. Now 14 plus 8 is 22. Yes children, so I will write here 2 and I will carry 2. Okay, so 7 plus 7, 14. Wait, I do not have, I will just write smaller 2. 2 and I have carried 2. Okay. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So again I will write 6 and I will carry 1. Okay. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So what will I write here? 13 here and I will carry 1. Okay. So 9 plus 9 will give me 18. Then again I will carry 1 here. Again you will add the same way. 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. Again I will write here 1 and I will carry 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is my answer. That is nothing but 41,83,623. Now children, I have written this way, but you will write it properly one below the another. Okay children? Yes. Now we will solve question number 8. Now the same way you will add. Okay. So look here. 9 plus 1 plus 4. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So I am writing here 4 and I have carried 1. Okay children. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. So I am writing here 2 and I have carried 1. Okay. Now 1, 0, 0 is nothing. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. So I am writing here 6. Okay. Nothing to carry. Then this gives me 13. Again this gives me 11. I've carried 1 again. Okay. Then 11 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Again carried 1. 9 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 3 7. So this is my answer. I hope this is clear to you everyone. And you can solve this easily. There is nothing difficult here. आपको सिर्फ प्लस करना है. आपको जो 3 एडेंस हो, 4 एडेंस हो, 5 एडेंस हो या 2 एडेंस हो, आपको सिर्फ ऐड करना है. Okay children. Now we will go to question number 2. Okay. Now here. Find the sum of the following. Now children. Now again you have to add this. यहाँ पे अगर आपको if you look very clearly, this number has been given to you and then you will just write one number below the other and you will get me the answer. Okay. Now look here children. I will just write these numbers so that you can add it. Look here. So how will you solve 3, 3, 7, 0, 3, 8, 9, 5. Then the answer will be 8, 9, 0, 7, 8, 8, 2. Now children just add and get me the answer. You just have to add. What will be the answer children? This is question number 9. Okay. So I think you can solve this on your own. Yes children. So yes, you have to just do it on your own. So children, what will we do on your own? You will solve this as these are same as above. Okay. We will solve question number 12 and if you have any difficulty in question number 9 and 10, you will ask me. Okay. Because these are same. So now we will just look at question number 12. Okay. Now look here children. How will you write this number? The first number is 85. Then you have 99. Yes. Then you have 23,456. Okay. Then you have 1, 8, 3, 4, 5, 0 and 9. This is how you will write. Why? Because these are 2 digits. That means they have ones and tens. Then 3 digit has 100. So you will write below the 100 place value. Okay. So if you do not understand, what will you do here? Look here children. See ones and tens. Then you have 100. Then you have 1000. Then you have 10,000. Then you have lakh and you have 10 lakh. Okay. So one below the other you will write. Okay. सो आपको पता है द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 85. सो दिस इज हाउ you will write it. Okay, you will not make any mistakes here. अब 2 डिजिट है तो you know it belongs to the 10th period. So उसी के नीचे आप पुट करोगे और इसी तरह नंबर अरेंज करके you will get me the answer. These 4 answers you will try at home, and if you have any difficulty you will ask me in your class. Okay children, so this is all for today.